guys, today I'm going to show you how to make simple recipe for roasted chicken. Very simple, few ingredients. You don't even need to marinate, but it will come out delicious. That's the way I always do it. This is 2 kilograms chicken. Fresh chicken is already washed, is clean, ready. And roughly chopped 2 medium-sized onions. We have a tablespoon of salt, vegetable stock, just for seasoning, flavoring it. And we have black pepper, ground black pepper, and a tablespoon of curry powder. So it's just a simple recipe. My hands are clean. So we start by just putting the salt. You can just put everything really. Add everything is okay. Then mix first before you put the onions. This will not take too much of your time. Very, very, very easy to make. Anybody can make it. Add the onions. Yeah. If you don't like spending too much time in the kitchen, this is a really, a recipe to go for. See, it's already done, guys. That's it. I'm just going to put it in the roasting dish. You can put more spices as you like, but I'm just showing you that actually you can still make very delicious chicken using just a few ingredients. Let's put everything. This is chicken portions. It's a mixture of, drumstick, chicken wings, mixture. When you're busy, you have other things to do, you just slap this in the oven, forget it there for a full hour. You come back, turn it, leave it for a few more minutes until it's golden brown, and then within no time you'll be eating your nice meal. That's it. I'm just going to put it in the oven now. I'm going to have roasted potato and have it with my roasted chicken. For now I'm just going to peel it up. I'll put it to boil for about 5 minutes, then I'll put it in the oven. Finish peeling the potato, washed and clean. Just going to chop it up into small pieces and then put it to boil for a few minutes. Okay guys, you can see I've finished cutting the potatoes now. You can see there. So I'm going to just put 1 tablespoonful of salt. I'm just sprinkle it a bit of salt. It looks like it's a lot, but it's not. And then a pinch of black pepper. Then 1 small onion, to flavor it. When you boil it with the onion, after roasting it, even if you don't add onions when roasting, it will still come out very nice. So that's it. Put 1 cup of water because you don't want to put too much water. 1 cup of water, boil it, bring it to the boil for 5 minutes, then take it out of the fire, drain out the oil, the water, put in the roasting dish, and then I'll show you. You can see the chicken has been roasting for the last 1 hour. So I'm just going to turn it. I just wanted you to see it quickly. It's golden brown, so I'm now going to turn. You can see the juice. This is what flavors, because this part has been has soaked up the juice, but now the other side is also going to soak it up. That is how the chicken is going to be very flavorsome. But if you roast it too quick, then the juice will dry up, and then your chicken will come out like not very tasty, dry, and you don't want that. So I just wanted to show you. I'm going to put it back in the oven for probably another about 20 minutes. I'll check it in 20 minutes time and see if once that side also gets golden brown, then chicken will be ready to eat. It's actually naturally cooked. It's just that I don't I want it all to be brown. Okay, the potato has boiled now in fact from start to the end. I left it to boil like first 10 minutes, like the water heating up, and then the last 10 minutes. Don't leave it to boil for too long because it will get too soft. You can just add a tablespoonful of oil. By the way, I grease the pan because don't want it burning. Can you see? It's a little bit too full, but I think I can still manage. I'm going to put it in the oven. The chicken is done now. Can you see? It's golden brown. There is a bit of oil at the bottom. It's always good for you to drain it off before it goes cold, because you don't want all that fat. So it's done. You do not need to marinate or anything, but it comes out really good. When you haven't got time to, to wait, marinating 2, 3, 4 hours, you don't need it. You can just cook it from fresh. Yeah, my chicken is ready. The potato is getting ready, but I thought, potato and chicken alone is not enough really. They're too dry. So I thought I should make a bit of sauce to go with it. So I just have my onions here. I'm going to make spinach. I just fry the onions and then add the spinach, cook it for a few minutes, and it's done. Yeah, here is my onions frying away for the spinach. Really, the sauce for the chicken and the potato really is your choice. If you want to have it with spinach, fine. If you want to have it maybe mixed vegetables, that's okay. Or any other kind of sauce that you can think about. Or you may just have with ketchup or with baked beans, whatever it is that you choose to have it with. Yeah, you can just cook it for frozen. I'll show you the final result. Okay guys, I just thought I should let you see now my spinach. It has been cooking for the last 10 minutes. It defrosted, and now I'm going to add my salt, and I'm going to add some vegetable stock. This vegetable stock is so good, this one here. When you add this to your veg, you will love it. It tastes good. Make sure you don't add too much salt because it has already a lot of salt in it. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. I just wanted to mention one thing. When you're cooking spinach from frozen, you don't necessarily need to really add any more water unless you want to, or unless it's too dry, but otherwise normally the water that is in it is enough. You see, you can see, you see, it's looking lovely. In fact, it is done. I don't want to overcook it now. So I think it yet well. It has been cooking for the last 15 full minutes, and it's done. Definitely done. The potato is ready, the chicken and the spinach is ready. I had to remove some of the potato and put in another tray because it was just too full. But you can see it's crispy and lovely. Really good.
Looks delicious.
Yeah. Potato roasted for like a full hour. The chicken took about 1.5 hours. And the spinach took about 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
And this is the final dish.
You better try. It's lovely. It's really uneasy to cook this because it's the preparation that takes time, but once everything is done, you just put it in the oven and forget it there. Come back, check it first time, turn. Go back to doing whatever you're doing. Come back again afterwards. It's done. So if you have like double oven, everything can be put at one go.